Hey Insulators, we are on site with Go Green Squads, and this is Lisa. Lisa, introduce yourself.
I'm Lisa Hollowarn, Go Green Squads, Austin, Texas.
And we are here helping her with the setup of her new CM2400 20-inch airlock. She already owns a CM24 16-inch airlock machine, and we're doing the maintenance on that.
Yeah, it hadn't been done in so many years, I don't even want to talk about it.
It's so important that those airlock seals are changed because that can dramatically change how much production your machine is doing. If you notice air coming back up in your face, it's time to change those seals out. So that's what we're doing. We're teaching our crew how to maintain a machine, how to get it back up to speed. So what has your experience been so far?
I bought a new machine, honestly, because I love these systems so much. They're easy to work on. You know, the guys are always handy with advice, and now I got you, and I feel a little bad for you because you're gonna get some phone calls, but it's just gonna be the way it goes. But I'm so excited about the new machine, but honestly about how simple this problem that I thought was huge is gonna be to fix on the old machine. So I'm gonna have two systems up and running, and the headaches are going to be gone.
That's awesome. So, well, we're glad to be a part of that equation and helping you get back up on your feet with that. Thank you, Lisa.
Yeah, thank you very much. I appreciate it, and I appreciate the tutorial for all my guys. It means a lot. Service after the sale, that's what y'all need to talk about.
Yeah, well,
it doesn't happen anymore.
You know, we love to help people, even if they don't even own a cool machines. We'll help you out over the phone, or if you need us to come out, you know, it's important to us.
Yeah, well, I'm excited about it. Thank you.
Yep. Hey Insulators, we are in Austin, Texas, and we are with the Go Green Squad. They're insulators here. We have Stormy, Eric, and Manny. We just did a full rehab on their CM2400. When we say a rehab, it's not a lot to do. You just have airlock seals, making sure those chains are tight, and changing out the air filter. How do you guys feel it went today?
Actually pretty good. I was a little nervous on how everything was going to go at first. Thought it would be pretty complicated, but you made it actually very simple.
Awesome. Yes, what do you think?
What I think, everything was awesome. He fixed the machine. The machine was like acting really weird. It was like difficult for us to do the installation sometimes. We're taking too long to do the installation. So I hope now it's better.
Good.
The installation.
Awesome.
Di lo que piensas.
Pues estuvo muy fácil la instalación de la máquina. Todos los, ¿cómo se llaman? Los plásticos,
los sellos.
Los sellos, cómo se apretó la cadena, todo estaba muy fácil. Estaba bien.
Thank you all for your help today,
Thank you.
Glad we were able to come out and help you guys.